The Karnataka Education Department on Wednesday withheld the Best Principal Award for B.G. Ramakrishna. He's a key figure in the hijab row that erupted during the academic year 2021-22. The decision by the Congress government came after criticism from various corners. So this is what happened. Ramakrishna, the principal of Government Pre-University College at Kundapur in Udupi, was accused of asking Muslim students wearing headscarves to stand outside in the sun during the hijab row when the BJP was in power in the state. Now, to mark Teachers' Day on September 5th, the Karnataka government announced the Best Teacher Awards on Tuesday to 41 teachers, principals and lecturers of government schools and pre-university colleges. Ramakrishna and Rame Gowda, principal of Hunsur PU College in Mysuru district, were announced as winners of the Best Principal Award. Ramakrishna said the award had not been withdrawn, but the Education Department said it might be delayed due to technical problems. Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa requested not to politicize the issue.
Usually the award, there is a committee, district committee, which selects a particular name or clears when somebody applies for wanting of for getting qualified. So the committee will send it to head office, and head office there is another committee. But this particular issue, I think they have overlooked it. So once we came to know yesterday that this issue was there, so we have withheld for some time. So we'll just clarify that and then go ahead and then give an appraisal. No, it's not about double standards. See, don't politicize this issue. Either way, if something has any government order also, if he is following, has to be ordered in a certain manner. And if it was not in a certain manner, that is a question. So let me check, let the department do that, and then we'll come back. It's nothing, no vindictive. Please don't put any political this thing, and I don't want to do that. And it's not me who finalizes. There is a committee for that, and they take a usual good decision. Let me see what best we can do. Okay?
Social Democratic Party of India (SDPI) strongly objected to Ramakrishna's selection for the award, associating him with the hijab issue. SDPI Dakshina Kannada President Anwar Sadat Bajathur said on X, quote-unquote, "A principal who forced Muslim students to stand in the sun over hijabs has no moral right to receive such an award."